Hello guys, welcome back to the Hard's the Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily add your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds to your application on your mobile. So actually it doesn't matter if it's an Android phone or an iPhone. The process is almost identical. Here, at first tap open. Now, before this whole process, make sure that you are connected to the earbud, so that, for example, case is opened. The welcoming screen is like this. We have to tap and check this icon, and we have to admit that we are over 16 years old, and here we can read some privacy policy, anonymous and personal data, what they collect, etc. Tap accept, tap OK, and now on your iPhone and Android phone you will be prompted to allow the permission to find, connect to, and determine the relative questionnaire devices. Tap allow. Now once you have allowed for that, we will have to tap device manager. Here we do have, as you can see, some permission to record audio. I have never came across this permission actually, but tap while using the application, tap OK, tap system Bluetooth, and they are here. So go back and they should be here. Tap your device right here and they are added. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.